Yeah. How you doing today, babe?
Great.
Up here on Round Mountain. First hike since we've been back from the East Coast. All right.
Yep.
All right, we're on the hut at the top of the nature trail. It's Karen, Karen.
You Ed.
How come we're sweating so much?
Because it's hot.
Yeah. There's some people having a party inside this old rock structure. I always wonder if this thing was built by the CCC. Back at the Round Mountain Trailhead, I don't know if I would call this a training hike. 2 miles round trip, 400 feet of elevation gain. But hey, it's still a few miles under the belt. Catch y'all later.